30 April 2026. Right, guys, I have an update for today. Um, as you already know, that the country is on autopilot because of succession battles, as you have already seen and we have reported here, a lot of developments that are taking place in Zimbabwe. Right, as you know, the story of Hezekiah that we reported on this channel, remember, it has sent shockwaves right through, and it looks like Themba Mliswa is called for the removal of General Chwenga. So, to exactly understand what is going on with the issue of this call from Themba Mliswa, remember that after the speech that was given in church by General Chwenga, um, several people, including Daniel Garwe, we have seen Daniel Garwe also uh, responding or reacting to the story of Hezekiah. And what Daniel Garwe said, he said that Emerson Mnangagwa, in fact, he said Hezekiah did not ask for more time to rule, but actually more time to live. That's what he said, trying to reply General Chwenga on his sermon that he delivered on Sunday. But today, I would want to refer you to this tweet in which Themba Mliswa comes guns blazing to General Chwenga, in fact, attacking the Roman Catholic Church as a whole for hosting General Chwenga. But you see, the tweet is long. The tweet for, in fact, the story for today is one of the T-shirts that have surfaced. So what I will do is I will just touch on very important issues here. So what does Themba Mliswa say? He says the Roman Catholic Church latest gaffe with VP calls for a secular homily to remind it of the unique status of religion and the church within the nation's body politic. This is even more pressing when one realizes that it's the second time in recent times that the church has found itself enmeshed in suspect activities relating to politics and most especially to VP Chwenga. The other cases involved a suspect plan to disenfranchise over 300 residents of their stands in St. Martin's. Together with the VP, it was implicated in the forced eviction in what residents described as one of the city's most blatant cases of land double dipping and administrative fraud. The residents alleged that the city of Harare had resold the same land to the Zimbabwe Catholic Bishops Conference, ZCBC, under pressure from the VP. It is thus becoming disturbingly clear that there is some form of cooperation between the two parties. The church occupies a unique space within our national politics, which allows its direct involvement and the consequence of society and arbiter in times of conflicts. No wonder why figures like Father Mkonori were central in the inception of the Second Republic. Right. Hey, guys, I will on this tweet, I will end here. I think you can see what Themba Mliswa is trying to do. Themba Mliswa is trying to tell us that there is a cohesion or collusion between General Chwenga and the Roman Catholic Church, you know, to destabilize, I think, what he calls to destabilize the Presidium or something like that. It looks like he is warning the church that they mustn't involve themselves in politics. But I think he realizes that the church is is very involved in politics, as he mentions that Father Mkonori was also involved in the removal of Robert Mugabe. I think he has answered himself on that one. But for today, I want to go to a tweet in which T-shirts have surfaced, and it seems as if Themba Mliswa and the Taurai Kandishaya, I think these guys, they have now been implicated in the printing of these T-shirts, but it looks like they have been denying it. Now, let's see what exactly looks like what is happening here. Now, if you look at this tweet from Lynn, it says that now Ana Kandishaya, Masirembwa, Themba Mliswa and company musafunge kuti makangwara zvekuzosvika apa. What are you up to? Who sent you? Right. Who sent you? Chiwenga must go campaign. What is your end game? Regaiva Komana. These are the videos of some T-shirts that have been printed. You can see there. You can see the T-shirts there that have been printed, anti-Chiwenga T-shirts. These are the T-shirts that have been printed to make sure that they campaign against the campaign for the removal of General Chiwenga. Right. Now, if you look at what is happening, is that Themba Mliswa and the Taurai Kandishaya, they are, not owning up to this. They actually refusing, saying that they are not involved in the printing of these T-shirts. But obviously, I'm very sure that the army would want to know who is responsible for this. Who is responsible for this? Who is responsible for who is responsible for the printing of the T-shirts? So, guys, tell me what you think in the comment section regarding the issue of the printing of the T-shirts from so